For boys 17 category at field number 5. Amigos versus RMC Bulldogs. Amigos versus RMC Bulldogs. For men's open category, field number 6. RMC Blue versus Blue Tag. RMC Blue versus Blue Tag. Referees, you may start the game now. And for women's open, Tom's Football Team A versus Tom's Football Team B. Field number 7 for women's open.
Uy, na-shoot.
Okay, special thanks to the third RMC Football Festival sponsors, Pepsi, Gatorade, Ecomax, Pizza, Offside Banana, Roadside Bakery and Cafe, Patch Construction Services, Plates, KTS Football
Ayun,
Team,
na-play ba?
Uno
Wala na
Dragons
ba?
Football Club, Canteen Dental Clinic, Blue Catering, and Design Express. Also the card store.
Boss, sa'yo mo pa, sa'yo mo na ilangit pa.
Nice one! GG, Parok!
Wait. Nice one. Bibir na. Patay ka diya bro.
Nathan!
Isa sa gilid. Ay, makayo rin ang dark team. Mga makayo dark team. Patay. Nice. Choo. Patay ka diya. Leon, patay. Maubuwa na, maubuwa. Awan lawas na, bato-bato.
Aman. Naka-blue.
Ay, rovers na sila, guys. Ay, ganang gana.
Uy, sabi to, drop bay. Ayun, i-fly bay. Ay, ground na pero sa tao
Let's
lang.
go! Una na niya na coach niya na explain ko.
Oh, brano.
Pamaro mo sinugod yun. Ayan. Yan. Ito ba lang i-clear yan? Shoot! Men's open na sila. Ay, Brian, acting niyo ah. Yan, sabi na yan.
Next!
Nadawang Black Knights, field 1. Nadawang Black Knights. Black Knights, proceed to field 1. Nana? Okay na.
Sa keeper. Nine ball. Shoot, nice one.
Wow. Ingon kay kagman foul yapon.
Second post guys, second post. Ini dah tahu lembut juga dah. Paling bulan itu. Bayu pun dah.
Kuya ko.
Kasi mau nak buat ni ni asal kecil. Coy. Bakan aku ini ni. Ina sakit. Bakan aku ini. Isa ko ang sakit na. Hindi ba? Hindi ba? Shoot. Dudong. Out. 2-0. Shoot. Ambul din dito ba?
Playing time duration for player 7, 10 minutes. And the rest of the categories, straight 15 minutes. Please take note, coaches and referees. Straight 15 minutes. Correction. For player 7, 10 minutes. For boys 17, category 20 minutes. And the rest of other categories, straight 15 minutes. If ma-confuse mo, posted there is a scoreboard, playing time duration. For player 7, 9, 13, 15, and men's open, there will be a semi-final. So top 2 teams in each bracket will qualify in the semi-finals.
Bal, dulay mo kuya. Bro, boy.
Aman. Aman. Number 20.
Field number 6. Field number 6, please start the game now. Kung wala ang isa ka team, default.
Jumbo.
Tara, kaya ka dito. Basket shoot ah. Tara, tara go.
For men's open category, please prepare for at field number 6, Rovers versus South Shield. Rovers versus South Shield at field number 6. Please proceed to field number 6.
style nila.
First touch!
Wala na, wala na.
Dula sila.
First touch ba? First touch!
Coaches, please check your schedule here at the scoreboard, and we also posted it in our group chat. So please take note of your game schedule. There will be a 2 minutes defaulting time. So aware tayo ha na may defaulting time. Kaya dili ta maghinulatay.
Ayan na, cover na.
Beijing, Coach Titoy.
Langan dyan, pasudlon. Nag-keeper. Kung na palaro sabi no?
Hey coaches and players, we have available tables and chairs for rent here near the registration area. So if gusto mo mag-rent, natay available na tables and chairs. And napoy Gatorade for sale, 30 pesos only. Dali lang sa may registration area. Beijing, Coach Kitoy. For player 7 next game, please prepare at field number 11, Fama versus Crocs FC. Fama versus Crocs FC. please prepare at field 11. For field number 9, please prepare Nueva Vergara White versus Aces FC. Nueva Vergara White versus Aces FC for players 9 at field number 9. And for field number 10, Wolves FC, for field number 10, next game, CR7 versus Nueva Vergara team.
Dili mo na kama ng kondo.